School year off virtually seems to be the norm for a lot of these larger or bigger school districts here in mid-Michigan. But Hemlock Public School District has been in school in classes for 2 full days now. They're providing a hybrid model. So this morning, we'll show you exactly how they're disinfecting their schools to make sure that students and staff are safe.
There we go. From everywhere that they need, the students are going to be, we are going to be in there disinfecting every day.
So we need to clean those areas daily.
Inside Casey Ling Elementary School in Hemlock, disinfecting and sanitizing high-touch areas, lockers, classrooms is happening frequently. The district partnered with Saginaw-based Hotsy Central Cleaning Systems.
We got in with Hemlock with the Victory electrostatic sprayers. We are going to be using those in the classroom every day.
Those sprayers working harder than your standard disinfectant.
There's more coverage on those than what you would get with just a normal disinfectant wipe.
Superintendent Don Killingbeck says of his 1,200 total students, 90% have opted to return to the classroom this year.
It looks like we'll have approximately 10% that'll choose our remote virtual option.
So to make certain surfaces were cleaned, Hotsy trained the custodial staff. Stephanie Baker is custodial head.
It's definitely going to take more time. So our superintendent has brought in more staffing also to take care of this because there's more cleaning. More cleaning takes more time.
As a rural school, Killingbeck says social distancing is achievable. Students and staff will have to wear masks, whether all day or at least moving throughout the school. Lunches will be delivery or grab-and-go style, and the school has conjured up an out-of-the-box idea to guarantee social distancing.
We've went the extra mile here at Hemlock Public School District. We've even installed additional sidewalks to make it the availability for parents to drop their student off at the sidewalk and then walk directly into the building.
Now, I was told that those sprayers are using hospital and food grade disinfectants, which basically means they are non-toxic for the staff and students here at Hemlock Public Schools. Reporting live from Hemlock this morning, Blake Keller, WNEM TV 5.